are heading to Wonderla today in Bangalore. So it was a 50 kilometers journey from our place, like in Koramangala, and we tried to take the bus which was mentioned on the website, but it was like we have to go to Majestic and all and then reach there, so it would take some time. So we took an Uber, and now we are almost 10 kilometers away from the place. Okay guys, so we are now entering Wonderla. Now we'll head towards the ticket counter. So there are different rates for like there is the regular pass and the fast track pass. But yeah, you come here and if you see more crowd, you should definitely take the fast track pass, because or you won't be able to complete all the rides. So the fast track pass comes around 1700 to 2100.
5 tickets, that's 5 hours. Show this in the entrance of the time.
Thank you. So we have the tickets. Oh yeah. We thought to start with the roller coaster, but it's under construction. Damn. Let's ask the guys if it will be like started in the evening or something. Till then, let's find another ride for us. The Maverick has started its first round, and that's how they roll you. Like they will take you upside down and then you will go rolling. How you get rolled? So guys, how are you feeling to try out the first ride at Wonderla? क्या हो गया सब लोग डरे हुए हो गया? I think I am the only guy excited to take this ride. You will see some random expressions on our faces. So yeah, that's Prajay, this is Atul, Gaurav and my brother Bisal. सबकी फट रही है, but फटना is like getting scared of something. Oh, it started! Phone रख दे. कैसा लगा मेरा फेवरेट राइड गाइस? किसका किसका फेवरेट बन गया ये?
मेरा फेवरेट सही है, मतलब अब बाकी से कंपेयर.
So this was one of the favorite rides of mine after the roller coaster. So yeah, this can mess up with your stomach very badly, and this is the turnaround. And this is the end of the ride, and we head to our next ride. But I can feel something in my stomach. Maybe these guys too. No. They're okay. But I think I have something in my stomach to come out soon. Okay, so we are now about to try the Scream ride. And I can see one of our soldiers already down. That's Prajay. As you can see, many people screaming because this is the Scream ride in Wonderla. Okay, I will be taking this ride solo because we are a team of 5. Oh, you're solo?
Yeah, solo.
So I have a friend now. So let's see what happens next. Oh! That's just started. Okay, that will be our third ride, the Insanity ride. Woo! Okay, so now we are in the Insanity ride, and like we got some dangerous reviews about this ride, that it will roll you around the place. The ride has started! This is my fourth time in Wonderland, like the second time in this ride, but I think they've reduced the time. And we have a fountain and a beautiful view around this place. We'll try the ride, like we'll be coming from that dungeon inside, and then we'll be splashing water around this place. As you can see, the ride will go inside this water. Woo! And it's also beautiful. Okay, now we are headed towards the Crazy Car 2 for adults. And this is the car zone for kids, and that's Gaurav, our Ola driver. And we have fast track, so there won't be any line for us. Put on your seat belts, and it's starting. Woo! So that was the ride, and we are now heading back. And this is the Crazy Wagon, maybe our next ride. And just behind it is the Rocking Tug. Okay, so with Fast Track Pass, you can skip that line of about 50 people and just go. Bye bye. Whoa! And you can see Bangalore there. And that was a normal ride. Like if you feel something in your tummy, you should try this out. Like save some time till you bust out of your mouth. So yeah, now we'll be heading towards our next ride. This is Wonderla Bamba ride. About to start, so stop for a second. Crazy shit. Love to hear you say that. I want you back. I want you back. Heading towards the termite train. हाँ? एक और फ्लोर ऊपर। I'm the driver for today's Termite train, and these are the passengers with me. That's dark. I don't think you will be seeing anything. And now we'll be heading towards the dungeon ride. I think it will be a little haunted, but let's see if you guys get to see something inside the dungeon, because it will be dark. Okay, this ride has some timing, so keep in mind. So it's 1 o'clock now and we are heading towards the dungeon ride. And this is a haunted. I have my mobile torch working so I can show you something. I don't think you are able to see anything.
I'm feeling so scary here.
The ride has started. Oh, that's a batch. फोटो में देखो, फोटो क्या हो रहा है? Danger. Oh.
और हमें
Heading towards the water splash. Oh.
मजा आएगा ये देख के फीलिंग आ गया।
Shit, I'm all wet now. Okay, so that was the water splash ride and we are all wet. We thought we will take this ride and then the other 3 rides. But we are wet and now we'll take the tower and the other 2 rides and then head towards the water park. So stay tuned for that, guys. See you. Whoop. Okay, we are getting ready for the flash tower. And 1, 2, 3, zoop! That was the flash tower, which was like really scary.
That side.
That's the Equinox ride. Sorry sir, everywhere have you used? Can I head mount it? Sir pe? No sir. Come on sir. Everywhere have you used? Okay, so you are not allowed to like take the camera on the Equinox because yeah, it's tough for the others, but yeah, we were not able to make the video. Hopefully our last ride, like we have to move to the water park because it's around 2 PM now and we'll be heading towards the water park after we change in the changing room and then let's see what we explore there. So this was the first part, hopefully, like the dry rides, and for the next part you have to wait for a week. Like the next week we'll be uploading the other water park rides. So yeah, we took around 7 to 8 rides which was possible only because of the fast track pass. And yeah, I don't think without the fast track pass you'll be able to like complete a 5 or 6, because I see crowd waiting for 1.5 hours for the ride. So yeah, definitely try the fast track pass if you want to go for more rides, like both the water and dry rides. So yeah, that's it.